Welcome to Buy Sell Vouchers. In this video, we will guide you through the process of purchasing a Roblox gift cards online. Let's begin. Once you log into the Buy Sell Vouchers website, you can either use the search function to find your desired product or navigate through the menu bar. For instance, if you click on gift cards in the menu, you will find a comprehensive list of available niches on our site. As for this demonstration, click on Roblox. You can see various Roblox products listed, each offered by different sellers. Take your time to choose the specific Roblox product that suits your preferences. Once you've made your selection, click on it to access the product page. On the product page, you will find detailed information such as product description, reviews, pricing, and seller information. To proceed with the purchase, click on the Buy Now button. Next, select your preferred payment method and click Buy. Now please be patient for a moment as your order is processed. Within a few seconds, your order will be confirmed. Now, click on Get Product button. Your gift card voucher code will be indicated. Congratulations, you have successfully acquired a Roblox gift card through Buy Sell Vouchers. Thank you for choosing Buy Sell Vouchers.